one of the biggest damages and most costly on new homes or old homes for that matter are windows. Damaged windows at the seals. Now, most of the time when the seals are damaged, you'll see the windows as being foggy. Kind of in between the two window panes, there'll be this fog or these little dots. And they're not always easy to tell. But I want to show you today what happens, what are the symptoms before the seal loss happens. Take a look at this easy, quick tip to find if your windows are about to have seal loss in the near future. Here we go. Okay, take a look here. You see this window seal right here. You see how it's even breaking the lip of the window here. You might say, well, that's nothing. It doesn't look bad. Well, not only is it rippled, but it's also breaking the edge here. Look at what it's supposed to look like. See how far behind that is? You know, it's at times 3/8 to 5/8 inch behind the window. Well, this seal in the light, the UV radiation from the sun is coming in and damaging this seal. It's causing it to ripple up and pull out from the window. And it won't be long before this pulls all the way out and makes a nice little design on the window, and it causes the window to lose its seal. And there you have it. Now this can be very costly to fix, maybe $250, $300 per window, or a window replacement if you want to really go that route. Now, that's easy to find and easy to suspect, easy to find on windows at a new property or even an old property. But let me show you outside. There's one that's important too. On the outside, on the flashings, like take a look at this. Okay, here's a window without flashings, without the proper flashings over the top. You see right here, there's supposed to be a flashing there. And without it, what happens is the water will drain down here onto the lintel here and into the window, right between the window and the lintel, where the caulk eventually just wears right away without a flashing. And let me show you what the impact is. It damages the windowsill here. You notice if you look at your home now, you'll probably have water damage here at the corner of the casing, and on the windowsill the caulking comes up and it just makes all the weird texture and the paint wears away. So that's it on windows at new houses or old houses. It doesn't matter. Both of the conditions are there in a lot of houses that I see. So you're looking for seals, and you're also looking for those flashings over the window. And it's easy. Just take a photo or two and send it to your contractor. Or better yet, send it to me on my website, ManyChat, on the Facebook ManyChat. Send me a picture or two, and I'll be happy to tell you if it's a problem or not. Fidelity Home Inspection, going places that no one else goes to save you money. See you soon.